Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a GIF to Google Slides. So open up Google Slides first of all, of course, and you can copy and paste the GIF, but an easier way to do it, select insert and select image. Then you are going to select search the web. Here you are going to search up the GIF. I'm just going to search up cat's GIF, and I'm going to add the one that I would want on my presentation. I'm just going to add this one. So select it and double click the image to add to your Google Slides. And as you can see, if you press slideshow, it's going to move because it's a GIF, and that is pretty much how you can add a GIF to Google Slides. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!